today I'm going to show you how this thing right here performs. This is the MATCC foam cannon from Amazon. So this is the box that comes in. It comes with like a little instructional booklet. You see all the stuff on the side right there. This is the SKU in case you're looking for which one you want, and you can see it's made in China. What we're going to do is we're going to show you guys how it works, just so you know that it can be done to buy a cheap snow foam cannon and then get some good soap. So I think the secret lies in the soap, not the sprayer. So some of the sprayers are junk, I know that, but this one right here is the deal, and I'm going to show you in just a minute how good it works. And then of course we got the chemical guys soap, and that stuff works awesome. Follow the directions and it will cover this truck in white foam like nobody's business in just a minute. So we're going to put a little bit of that in here, and then we're going to put some warm water in there, and then we're going to hook it up and do the deal. Alright, so I just got me a Simpson 3200 PSI pressure washer, and with a Honda motor. It's legit. There's the foam cannon on the end of our wand, and last time I used this, I rinsed my truck first and then I used the foam, and man, it was amazing. But I tell you what, just for YouTube purposes, we're not even gonna rinse this bad boy. So I'll show you some of the just kind of nastiness we got on there. We'll see how it does with all of that. And foam it down. There you see, I did one bottle worth, about used all of it up to do the whole truck. Even got a little extra on there, so foamed it pretty good. I'll show you the results in a minute. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes. The foam's kind of eat up some of the dirt, hopefully, I don't know, but we're going to see. Remember, I hadn't wiped it down, I didn't pre-rinse it. We just sprayed that foam on a dirty truck. Now we're fixing to rinse it off, and we're going to see what we got. Alright, so you can see quick foam, quick rinse. I still got some soap on there. That's the only downside about that soap is, man, it takes forever to get all that stuff off once you spray it on there. But there's some on my bumper. But I mean, as you can see, it did pretty doggone good without wiping it down at all. I know it's still wet, so it looks shinier than it would once it's dry. But man, it did a good job of just eating the kind of road grime off of the truck. So I'm pleased with it. I think if you're on the fence about whether or not to get one, I mean, you should get one for sure. They, you know, I bought that one. It's not like they sent it to me for free to do a review or whatever, but I like it.